Join me as I take on the challenge of explaining the world's largest statue, the Statue of Unity, in just 5 minutes. In this video, you'll learn about the Statue of Unity, its significance, and the story behind its creation. From its monumental size to its cultural impact, we're going to dive into what makes this incredible structure so special. Building a statue of this magnitude comes with its fair share of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles was the sheer scale of the project. The Statue of Unity stands at an incredible 182 meters tall, making it almost double the size of the Statue of Liberty. To put that in perspective, it's like stacking 65 school buses on top of each other. The engineering required to create such a massive structure was a feat in and of itself. The statue's design was another challenge that the engineers and architects faced. It's not just a simple statue, it's an intricate design that required precision and attention to detail. The statue has over 1,700 bronze panels that were individually crafted to create the final product. And let's not forget the internal structure that had to be built to support the weight of the statue. But it wasn't just the engineering challenges that made this project difficult. The public's perception of the statue was also a major concern. The project was met with controversy and criticism, with many questioning the cost and purpose of the statue. Despite these challenges, the team behind the statue persevered, and their hard work paid off in the end. The Statue of Unity is more than just a statue. It's a tribute to one of India's most beloved leaders, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Patel was a key figure in India's fight for independence, and his legacy continues to inspire generations of Indians today. He's often referred to as the Iron Man of India due to his strong leadership and determination. To understand the historical context of the statue, we need to go back in time to India's struggle for independence. Patel was a key player in the Indian independence movement, working closely with Mahatma Gandhi to free India from British rule. His contributions to India's freedom and development are still celebrated today, making him a national hero. The statue is a fitting tribute to Patel's legacy, and it's a symbol of Indian pride and unity. The statue's design is inspired by Patel's vision of a united India, and it's a reminder of the country's rich history and cultural heritage. On October 31st, 2018, the Statue of Unity was officially inaugurated by Prime Minister of National Pride and Identity. Since its unveiling, the statue has become a major tourist attraction, drawing visitors from all over the world. It's not just a statue, it's an experience that offers a glimpse into India's rich history and culture. Visitors can take a high-speed elevator to the top of the statue where they can enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. In just 5 minutes, we've taken a journey through the story of the Statue of Unity, from its challenges to its significance. We've explored the engineering feats, the historical context, and the cultural impact of this incredible structure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other videos on Indian landmarks and cultural attractions.